After his news conference, Gordon talked with our Mary Rachel Deck.
Eric Gordon officially entering the NBA draft today. How difficult was this decision?
Well, it was a real difficult decision, and I just had to think about it with the previous coaches here at IU and the new coaching staff. With Tom Crean being the head coach here at IU, that's just a great call for IU, and it was just overall a tough decision to make.
Now, what were the factors that prompted you to make this decision now?
I would say just to basically get out the way. I think it was a great time, and a lot of people a lot of teams, a lot of these guys just come out of once they lose in the tournament or something like that, just automatically just go in and said, I'm going to the draft. But I'd had to give it time before I made my decision.
Did you give serious thought coming back to IU for another year?
Yeah, I gave it real serious thought. It's almost been a month since we lost, and I just had to get ready and move on.
Now, it's been an emotional roller coaster. Everybody knows that. What do you think will be your favorite memory from Bloomington?
I don't know. I just remember the first time on campus when because this is a big time basketball school, and I would say majority of the fan support. That's what the main thing about IU.
And speaking of the fans, do you have anything to say to the loyal IU fans and Hoosier Nation? Anything to say to the IU fans, Hoosier Nation?
Well, I think that Coach Tom Crean will bring it back, and hopefully our team will get it together, and hopefully win a national championship someday. And I'll always be a Hoosier fan, regardless.
Thank you, Eric. Best of luck in the NBA.
All right,
thanks.